Hello everyone. Welcome to lecture series on digital communication. Myself Plasin Dias, Assistant Professor ENC Department, KLS VDIT Halyal. Today I'll be taking session on CDMA system based on IS 95. Outcome of this topic is understanding the basic concepts of CDMA system based on IS 95, covering functional details of forward and reverse link. In the previous session, contents covered were frequency hopped spread spectrum, its types and applications. As we know, FHSS is a method of transmitting radio signals. Here, data signal is modulated with a narrowband carrier signal that hops randomly in a particular sequence from one frequency to other frequency. This happens in a specified time in wideband. Coming to applications, CDMA systems based on FHSS are used in mobile user applications. FHSS modulation technique is used for military purposes. FHSS modulation is used in wireless LANs. Now, let's understand what is CDMA and IS 95. Code Division Multiple Access is protocol used in second generation and third generation wireless communication. CDMA allows many signals to occupy single transmission channel so that bandwidth is optimized. IS 95 Interim Standard 95 was the first CDMA based digital cellular technology. Direct sequence CDMA was developed by QLCOM and later designated as IS 95 by Telecommunication Industry Association for use in 800 MHz and 1900 MHz frequency band. Its proprietary name is CDMA-1. It is 2G mobile telecommunication standard. IS 95 makes use of CDMA multiple access scheme for digital radio to send voice data and signaling data, particularly dialed telephone number, between mobile telephone and cell site. Direct sequence CDMA adopted as multiple access method for digital cellular voice communication in North America. Next, forward link. Signal transmission from base station to mobile receiver is called as forward link or channel. For forward link, bandwidth used for transmission from base station to mobile receiver is 1.25 MHz. In reverse link, a separate channel with bandwidth 1.25 MHz is used for transmission from receiver to base station. IS 95 channel differ between forward link and reverse link due to requirements and operation of links. Moving ahead to the block diagram of forward link, some of the basic blocks of this link are: first being speech coder, where source coding is done. Speech coder is code excited linear predictive coder. It generates data at variable rates 9600, 4800, 2400, 1200 bits per second. Data rate is function of user's speech activity. Frame interval is 20 millisecond. Data from speech coder is encoded by rate equal to half. Constraint length is L equal to 9 convolutional code. This is called as channel coding. For lower speech activity, data rate used is 4.8, 2.4, 1.2 kbps. Output from convolutional encoder is normally repeated 2 times, 4 times or 8 times to have rate of 9600 bits per second. Transmitter power reduces to 3, 6 or 9 dB for lower speech rate and hence low interference. Second functional block is block interleaver. Encoded bits for each frame is passed by it. It reduces effect of burst errors. Data rate is maintained at 19.2 kilobits per second. This is multiplied with the long code generator running at chip rate 1.2288 megachips per second. This is called symbol scrambling. Output is decimated by factor of 64 to 19.2 kilochips per second. Long code is used to identify a call of mobile station. Next, Hadmard or Walsh sequence. Each channel user is assigned with Hadmard sequence of length 64. 64 orthogonal Hadmard sequence are assigned to each base station. Therefore, 64 channels are available. Here, 2 Hadmard sequences are used. All 0 sequence used to transmit a pilot signal measures channel characteristics such as signal strength, carrier phase, offset. Other Hadmard sequence is used for time synchronization. Among 64, one or more channel is used for paging. So, 61 channels are left for allocation to different users. The data sequence is multiplied by Hadmard sequence for each user. Modulator. Each encoded data is multiplied by Hadmard sequence of length 64. Resulting binary sequence is spread by multiplication with 2 PN sequence of length 2 raised to 15. It creates in-phase and quadrature signal component. Binary data is converted to 4-phase signal and both I and Q components are filtered using baseband spectral shaping filters. Different base stations are identified by different offset of PN sequences. Signals for all 64 channels are transmitted synchronously. Finally, mixing of carrier wave with BPSK modulator or QPSK spreading is done. Summed output is CDMA signal. At the receiver, rake demodulator is used. At mobile receiver, rake demodulator is used to resolve multipath signal components. These signal components are phase aligned, weighted according to signal strength. These components are combined and passed to Viterbi soft decision decoder. Let's see reverse link. Reverse link modulator transmits signals from mobile transmitter to base station. Some of the consideration for design of modulator are: first, signal transmitted are asynchronous, so more interference among users. Since mobile transmitters are battery operated, transmission are power limited. These being limitation, To compensate k equal to 9 or rate equal to 1/3 convolutional code is used in the receiver link. Code has same coding gain in AWGN channel as rate half code used in forward link. For lower speech activity, output bits from convolutional encoder are repeated either 2 or 4 or 8 times. Coded bit rate is 28.8 kilobits per second. For 20 millisecond frame, 576 encoded bits are block interleaved and passed to modulator. Data modulated using M equal to 64 orthogonal signal set using Hadamard sequence of length 64 is used. 6-bit block of data mapped to one of 64 Hadamard sequence to obtain chip rate 307.2 kilobits per second at the output of the modulator. 64 array orthogonal modulation error probability 10⁻⁻⁶ is required. To reduce interference, time position of transmitted code symbol repetitions are randomized. Signal spread by long code PN generator at the rate of 1.228 megachips per second. There are 4 PN chips for every bit of Hadamard sequence. So, processing gain is small in reverse link. The resulting 1.228 megachips per second binary sequence of length n equal to 2⁻15 and rate is 1.2288 megachips per second creates I and Q signals. These QPSK signals are filtered by baseband spectral shaping filters, then passed to quadrature mixers. Q channel signal is delayed in time by 1/2 PN chip relative to I channel. Signal at the output of 2 baseband filter is an offset QPSK signal. Demodulator uses non-coherent demodulation of 64 orthogonal Hadamard waveforms to recover the encoded data bits. Output of detector is fed to Viterbi detector to obtain speech signal. To summarize, IS-95 is CDMA based cellular technology. It is 2G mobile telecommunication standard. Bandwidth efficiency of system is higher. Thank you.